In Texas, if you've been injured at work, you have options. First thing, you need to let your employer know that you've been injured, right? They need to do an incident report, let your manager know what happened, get all the details written down. Then you need to get to the doctor. If you have an employer that covers you with a workers' compensation plan, in Texas, you have to use that workers' compensation plan. So you go through that plan to get seen by doctors, to get set up with specialists to help cover lost wages, for example. But a lot of employees aren't covered by workers' compensation plans. And if you're injured at work and there's no workers' compensation plan that covers you, that's where we can come in to help. You have options and you have rights. You can, of course, try to get your employer to pay for your medical bills and lost wages outside of a lawsuit. But if they are refusing to, and you're not covered by a workers' compensation plan, then you can file a lawsuit. Now, we would file a lawsuit in the county where the accident happened, and we would sue your employer and anyone else who might be involved in the negligent act that injured you. After the lawsuit's filed and an answer is filed by the defendant, then we enter a process that's known as discovery. And in discovery, both sides are able to request documents and get answers to written questions. We also get to sit down and ask formal questions in a thing called a deposition, where an attorney gets to ask questions about injuries and the accident and how you are today and what's going to happen in the future. After the discovery process, usually cases try to get resolved. Whether informally, just through attorneys and the parties negotiating, or through mediation, which involves getting a neutral third party to help both sides come to an agreement. If the sides can't reach an agreement, then you can always go in front of a jury or in front of a judge in a bench trial and have that fact finder determine who's responsible, who should have to pay, and how much.